When you multiply each side of one or both equations in a system by the same non-zero number, the new system and the original system have the same solutions. The two systems are called equivalent systems. You can use this method to make additive inverses. So take note, x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus y equals 7. In this system of equations, the solution of the system is the ordered pair 4, 1. 4 for x, 1 for y. If we use the same system of equations, but multiply each side of the first equation by 4 and each side of the second equation by 3, note what happens. Well, we get 4x plus 4y equals 20, and 6x minus 3y equals 21, but an equivalent system. To check that, we consider, is the solution of the new system still the point 4, 1? And sure enough, it is. So they are equivalent systems. Problem 4, solving an equivalent system. What is the solution of the system of equations? Note equation 1, 2x plus 7y equals 4, and equation 2, 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. Here we don't have opposite values for x or opposite values for y in the two equations, so we can't simply add or subtract the second equation from the first and eliminate a variable. So we're going to use that property we just saw to create an equivalent system and solve that one. Consider what you might think on the left and what you might write on the right as you solve the problem. First think, by multiplying equation 1 by 3 and multiplying equation 2 by negative 2, the x terms become opposites. Then you can eliminate them. Adding equations 3 and 4, shown here on the right, helps us to solve for y. So note, equation 1, 2x plus 7y equals 4, multiplied by 3 gives us 6x plus 21y equals 12, and equation 2, which was originally 3x plus 5y equals negative 5, multiplied by negative 2 provides the equation negative 6x minus 10y equals 10. So we have opposite numbers of x's, and when we add these two equations, these new equations 3 and 4, we get 11y equals 22 and y equals 2. Then we substitute that value 2 for y in either of the original equations, equation 1 or 2. So what you might think, now that you know the value of y, use either equation to find x. To equation 1, 2x plus 7 times 2 now, our value for y, equals 4, and solve to find x equals negative 5. We can now state the solution is negative 5, 2. Your turn, part A. What is the solution of this system of equations? 3x plus 7y equals 15, and 5x plus 2y equals negative 4. And part B, a reasoning item. In problem 4, you found that y equals 2. Substitute this value into equation 2 instead of equation 1. Do you still get the same value for x? Explain why.